Hey folks, hope you all had a good week. I just want to give a quick update for my SPY options. Monday was a holiday, so it was just Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The first couple of days were pretty good, but then I actually took a loss on Thursday because I did not get out of my position quickly enough, and the stock market fell pretty fast near the end of the day. And then today, Friday, I just sold some options that are expiring for next week. So overall, $103, which is my lowest week so far, but it's also been quite a volatile week as well. So I have this 15-minute chart here, and you can see there's 4 sections. So this is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Tuesday, pretty flat, so easy to trade because I had some short put spreads and call spreads, and they all expired out of the money. Wednesday was pretty much just a straight line down. So when I realized the angle the stock was going down within the first couple of hours, I bought a put option. So if SPY goes down a lot, then I would make money on that put. And then I got out a little bit early, but otherwise I could have made more money. As you can see, SPY continued to go down. Thursday, I lost some money because it was kind of unpredictable, especially at the end here. You can see the last hour, maybe half an hour, there was a massive drop. And I kind of got faked out by this 9 EMA crossing over the blue line, the 21 EMA. And I thought, oh, we're probably going to go back up. But it looks like at the end of the day, it fell. And then today, I wasn't expecting the market to go up so much. I thought it would go up a bit and then sort of just go flat for the day, but apparently it continued to soar higher. Now, going into next week, I am slightly on the bearish side because if I take a look at this weekly chart here, you can see that SPY has trouble breaking through this line here, which is the top of the bear market channel that's been going on for the last year or so. So unless we get some kind of news that is really positive and that people don't expect, I think it's more likely than not this line here will continue to be respected. And also when we look at the green line compared to the blue line, ever since the beginning of last year, the green line has been under the blue line. There were some pretty close calls where it almost crossed over, like over here, and just recently over here back in December. And right now it's getting really close, so maybe it'll cross over. But judging by history over the last 3 or 4 times, it looked like it was pretty close, but eventually the market continues to move lower. So I just have a couple of trades that I have going on into next week that I put on today. And I put them on a little bit early, so now they're actually losing money. But basically, I have a January 25th, this would be the Wednesday. I have a bear call spread. So as long as SPY closes on Wednesday below 403, then this would expire out of the money. That's only $9. And then I have a call ratio spread that is set to expire on January 27th, which is next Friday. And for that one, I bought the 400 call, but I sold the 401 call twice. So the performance profile looks something like this, and I make the most money if SPY goes to 401 by next Friday. So both of these are bearish option strategies, and because I put them on in the middle of the day, and then SPY continued to go up, I'm currently underwater on these two strategies. If I go back to the daily chart, okay, so this blue bar over here, that's going to be a Monday because these are now over. And if I zoom out a little bit, this horizontal purple line here at 400.19, this was the previous highs of the market over the last little while. We might get a retest of that level on Monday, but if we go over this, then I'm going to close out my bear call positions because that would be too risky. I don't want the stock to go up too much before my options can expire. So we'll have to see. SPY has only breached this red line, the top of this bear channel, only once over the last year, and it closed the day below that. So if for any time, for any reason, if SPY closes next week, this bar here is Wednesday, and then this bar here is Friday. But if at any time it closes above 400, then I would turn bullish. Basically, if it goes over these previous highs here, then instead of being bearish, I'm going to close my positions and go bullish because that would represent something big has changed in the market because it hasn't done that in over a year. Like it hasn't broken out through this line and closed above it. So if that Monday it closes above 400, I'm probably going to buy calls for the rest of the week. Otherwise, if it continues to trend below this line, then I will maintain my bearish sentiment and maybe continue to buy puts or sell calls. So could this be a break of the pattern and we start heading higher from here? Maybe, we'll have to see. But next week is definitely going to be very telling in terms of which direction the market wants to go. It looks to me like we're going back down, but on Monday and Tuesday, I think we'll get better clarification. So thanks a lot for following along. Good luck with your investments, and let's see what happens next week.